Hi everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel. My name is Chutchai. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So anyways, for today's vlog, we are going to make unpack. Ayan, dahil actually I have supposedly I have 3 package to be arrived this week or this day. But since I got only one and I'm not sure if the 2 package will arrive same time, but actually I am not planning to make any vlog this day. It's because I already uploaded some of my videos and actually that was the last time. Supposedly my last vlog is uploaded last Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken, the unboxing, the padala vlog. So since I promised to my friend, which is clarification, that I will make or I will shout out their names, so I don't have any choice but to make this video especially for them. And so I decided to film this unpacking package that I ordered from Facebook. Okay, so anyways, without any further ado, please keep on watching. So welcome back ulit guys. I have tissue because it's quite summer and it's really hot, although I have aircon. So anyways, let's get started. I have here the package and I have scissor. Actually I am watching Nerilyn's live today. So this is what I've got online. Wow, wow, this is cute. I bought, what is it, X? I bought a t-shirt guys. As you can see, I love t-shirt, and most of the t-shirt that I order or I use is color white and black. Wow, cute. This is cute guys. And I ordered this Gucci t-shirts. Oh yeah, and it's cute, but it's not totally cotton like what I wear. So that's actually I ordered medium because ever since I use medium size, but when I was sexy char, when I was way back 2016, I used to wear small shirt, small t-shirt or something that's only small. And now that I gained weights, I use what do you call this? I use medium size. I think they delivered me, oh my god, I ordered 4 t-shirt, 2 piece of this one, but they sent me just 3 t-shirts. See? So this is also Gucci guys. This is not original Gucci guys. You know, if you ordered online Facebook, most of them are class A. So this is fake one, and I just love the print. That is why I ordered this one. See how nice the print is. It's Mickey Mouse. This one I like the cotton. It's cotton, but this one is no. It's like silk. It's like, I don't know, but this one is cotton, and this is really big. Oh my god, I ordered medium. Okay, anyways, I will ask my supplier. What is it? They sent me one each. And this one is, I think this is dress. This is medium size. I like this one. Oh, this is cute. See. I'll be back, guys. I will try this and show you how it looks like. Okay? Welcome back again, guys. At nagbabalik na tayo. We're back. I'm done fitting my order here. And I'm gonna flash the photo here. Okay? And it took me a while because my patience is here. So, okay. Before I end this vlog, I'm gonna shout out my lovely couple here in YouTube channel, and thank you for including me as your angel. Thank you so much. And shout out lovely couple here in YouTube, Mr. Molly and his partner Laricification. Shout out to you, to the two of you. Shout out, and I wish you all the best in life. Oh, charot. Anyways, before anything else, I'm gonna shout out my 3 lovely members on my YouTube channel: Laricification, Nerilyn Polinar, and Miss Clemen. Thank you for trusting me. Thank you for trusting me. That's it. For clicking my join button. Ayan. Anyways, and shout out to all my friends here in YouTube channel. And shout out shout out to all the people who commented on my latest upload: Mimi Joy, Yolanda Loyola, Beth Vlog, Randy Woods. Randy Woods, thank you for watching my new upload. Thank you so much. And Jesome and Kat, Vena Vlog, Frau Jubilin, Jenny Vibe, Tejano, Chris Jimol Munoy, Beth Vlog, Rock Island 105, thank you Kuya, Walay Arte, Ina McFree, Team Canete, Ma'am Annalyn, Easy and Fun English, Marcia Ortiz, it's Krisha, my lovely daughter, shout out to you, Charmaine Maze, Leia Mix Blog in USA, Good Vibes, DJ, Reno Show, John Berhel Yulo, Hope is World, thank you Ate Ganda. Anyways guys, Hope is World, if you know, if you don't know Hope is World, guys, please visit her channel and click her subscribe button. Let us help her to her agenda project. Nerilyn Polinar, Pure Pods, Carol's Vlog, Deborah Orat, shoutout ate, si Deborah Orat, Clarice Mendoza, Simply Norge, Kamamas, Ethan Vlog, free to use, Wapang TV, Citro Sound Remix, Tigidig, Frelna, Elegance Nails, Len Garcia, and Bahama Gym, Boss Channel, Vera Ponce, Fly Away Tiffany Gardner, Lisa Ward, who else? Gina Phillips, Mami Jocular, Cute D, and sana lahat ng hindi ko nabanggit sa aking shoutout, please huwag kayo magtampo sa akin, no? It doesn't mean I forgot you, kaya lang, hindi ko talaga maalala, but anyways, thank you. My Koreano channel, ayan, thank you kuya for always watching my videos, ayan, thank you so much, and I'm gonna end this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to like, okay, and please don't forget to click my tiny bell button for you to be notified every time I have a new upload. Guys, see you on my next one. God bless us everyone. Be good always. Bye.